In this video, I'll show you how to understand Raydium, also known as Ray, as one of the top decentralized exchanges on Solana. Raydium is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, built on the Solana blockchain. It allows users to swap tokens, provide liquidity, trade, and participate in DeFi without using a traditional centralized exchange. According to Raydium's own documentation, the platform is designed for fast and low-cost transactions on Solana, and it has been active since 2021. One reason Raydium is popular is that it supports permissionless liquidity. This means users can create pools, launch tokens, and add liquidity incentives. This makes Raydium important for Solana-based projects, especially new tokens that need trading markets quickly. Raydium also has its own token called Ray. The Ray token is connected to the Raydium ecosystem and can be used for staking and protocol-related incentives. Raydium's documentation says Ray has a maximum supply of 555 million tokens, and part of protocol trading fees are used for Ray buybacks. For users, Raydium has several main features. You can swap Solana tokens, provide liquidity to earn fees, stake Ray for rewards, and use different pool types depending on the trading pair. Raydium's staking page explains that users can stake Ray and earn additional Ray rewards. Raydium is also one of the major DeFi platforms on Solana by trading activity. DeFi Llama tracks Raydium's DEX volume, fees, revenue, and liquidity, showing that it continues to handle significant trading volume on Solana. However, Raydium also comes with risks. Because it is permissionless, anyone can create tokens and liquidity pools. That means fake tokens, low liquidity coins, and scam projects can appear. Always verify token addresses, check liquidity, review project sources, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Overall, Raydium is a key Solana DEX because it combines fast swaps, liquidity pools, staking, and token launch activity in one ecosystem. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.